During the Biafran War, women played substantial and diverse roles in combat, intelligence, medical care, and advocacy. Some women actively participated in direct combat. They were trained and armed similar to their male counterparts and fought in various capacities. Notably, a few all-female units were established, though they were relatively rare at the time. These women engaged in support roles like medical care. Many served as nurses and doctors, providing critical medical services and mostly under dire circumstances and conditions. They also involved in logistics and supplies. These women helped in transporting and managing supplies crucial for the survival of Biafran troops who had been cut off from external support. There was also reconnaissance and intelligence. These female soldiers sometimes acted as spies or scouts, utilizing the enemy's likely underestimation of their roles to gather vital information. Advocacy and diplomacy. These women were instrumental in the advocacy and diplomatic efforts of the troops. They also involved in heavy fundraising and awareness in Biafra and abroad. These women helped raise awareness about the plight of the Biafra people and garnered international support and humanitarian aid. Diplomatic engagements were involved, where these women engaged in diplomatic efforts to win international sympathy and support for the Biafra land. For more information, follow us on all our social media platforms, like, subscribe, and share.